Welcome to Poetry Mix. Expert air conditioning repair in Weatherford, Texas, USA. Weatherford, Texas, with its warm climate and hot summers, relies heavily on air conditioning systems to provide comfort and relief from the scorching temperatures. However, just like any other mechanical system, air conditioners can experience issues and breakdowns, leaving residents in need of reliable repair services. In Weatherford, a range of professional HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning service providers are available to tackle air conditioning repair needs promptly and effectively, ensuring optimal indoor comfort for residents. Expert diagnosis and troubleshooting. When faced with air conditioning problems, the first step in the repair process is a thorough diagnosis by skilled technicians. HVAC professionals in Weatherford have the expertise to identify and troubleshoot a wide range of AC issues, from minor malfunctions to more complex system failures. Experienced technicians utilize their knowledge and diagnostic tools to pinpoint the root cause of the problem. This may include issues such as refrigerant leaks, faulty electrical components, compressor failures, thermostat malfunctions, or airflow obstructions. By conducting a comprehensive assessment, they can provide an accurate diagnosis and recommend the most suitable repair solutions. Prompt and reliable repairs. Once the problem is identified, HVAC repair experts in Weatherford promptly address the issue to restore the functionality of the air conditioning system. These professionals are well equipped with the necessary tools, parts, and technical expertise to handle various types and brands of air conditioners. Repair services typically encompass repairing or replacing faulty components, fixing refrigerant leaks, addressing electrical and wiring problems, recalibrating thermostats, and ensuring proper airflow. Whether it's a simple fix or a more complex repair, skilled technicians work diligently to restore the air conditioning system's performance and efficiency. Preventive maintenance and tune-ups. In addition to repairs, HVAC service providers in Weatherford also offer preventive maintenance and tune-up services for air conditioning systems. Regular maintenance plays a vital role in extending the lifespan of the unit and optimizing its performance, helping residents avoid major breakdowns and costly repairs in the future. During a maintenance visit, technicians thoroughly inspect the air conditioning system, clean or replace filters, check and tighten electrical connections, lubricate moving parts, and assess the overall efficiency of the system. They may also perform necessary adjustments, such as calibrating thermostats and balancing airflow, to ensure optimal cooling and energy efficiency. Emergency repair services. Weatherford's HVAC repair companies understand that air conditioning breakdowns can occur at any time, often during the hottest days of summer. To address these urgent situations, many service providers offer emergency repair services, available 24/7. This ensures that residents can receive immediate assistance, even outside regular business hours, to restore their cooling systems and maintain a comfortable indoor environment. Customer satisfaction and guarantees. HVAC service providers in Weatherford prioritize customer satisfaction and often offer guarantees on their repair work. These guarantees provide residents with peace of mind, knowing that if any issues arise shortly after the repair, they can count on prompt follow-up services and resolution.